Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. We're going to do a French manicure using dip powder and the gel method. This was so highly requested and I didn't want to do it. I was a little nervous, but as you are going to see, it was actually really easy. So if you're a gel method person, I think you would really love this. These are the colors I'm going to be using. You want to make sure you're using a cover color for your background color. You don't want to use anything sheer. Sheer colors like clear or sheer white or sheer pink tend not to get along with gel products. So you want to make sure you're using an opaque color. And we're going to do this pretty much the same way we would do a French using dip liquids. If you want to check that video out, I'll leave that up in the cards. But for right now, I'm going to take my gel base coat, apply that to the entire nail, and then I'm going to get into the white tip first. You always want to start off with the white tip and then fill in the back of the nail. Whatever you're doing on the free edge, whether it's white or a color or whatever, you want to make sure you're doing the free edge of your nail first. So here's what I'm going to do. I poured my white dip powder into one of these little tray things. You don't need one, but I like it. It's easier for me with long nails. And instead of pushing my nail forward into the tray, I'm kind of pressing it down and just very gently and slowly letting that powder form that French line. And you can keep dipping as much as you need to adjust that line depending on how you want it. This totally depends on your preference. I like a deeper smile line, but if you like something more straight across, you can adjust your angle and do that too. Play around with it. Practice on swatches if you want. The beauty of using gels with this method is you can wipe it off. It's not going to dry until you cure it. So if you're not happy with it, wipe it all off, start over again, no big deal. Once you have it where you want it, you're going to pour over your cover color in the back, and then we're going to cure for a full minute. And then we're going to repeat this one more time on the same nail. So I went ahead and gave that a full cure. I'm going to dust off excess with a scrubby brush. I like using a scrubby with this method with gels because I don't want to gunk up my gel base brush. You want to make sure you're getting as much excess off as possible. And yes, I am saying excess and not access. My accent is weird. I know what words I'm saying, I promise. So now we're going to go in for coat number 2. Coat number 2 is going to be a carbon copy of the first dip that we did, exactly the same way. This time will be a little bit easier even because you have that guide, the smile line you created before, and you're just going to line that up exactly like you did before. And then you're going to pour over the cover color, and then you're going to cure again for a full minute. If you are wondering if you can do this exact same method with like a glitter dip powder, you absolutely can, and I really wanted to be perfectly honest. I wanted to do a glitter French tip, but to be true to tradition and the many French videos that I did, I figured let me do it with white, and if you guys want to see me do it with a glitter or even like a double French tip, let me know down below, and I would be so happy to make that for you. I might just do it anyway. Whether you want to see it or not, it's probably going to happen because I feel like I need a glitter French tip in my life. So I'm going to sit there, let that white marinate and really absorb into that gel. This is all real time, by the way. And once I have that done, as mentioned, we're going to pour over the cover color, and then we're going to cure again for a full minute. If you're curious about what lamp I am using, I will make sure to leave that linked down below for you guys, along with all of the products that I'm using in today's video. Dipalicious, I'm not sure if they're open yet. I know their shop was closed for a little while due to a family situation, but if they're open, awesome. If they're not, just be patient. I'm sure she'll be open again very soon. So pouring over, gonna cure, and then I'm going to let you watch me do one full nail. I'll speed it up for you a little bit, but I'm going to let you watch without me chattering away at you. I know some people learn differently, and sometimes my voiceovers can be distracting, so I will shush. I will let you watch me do a second nail, and then I'm going to show you how to encapsulate. But stick around to the end of the video if you can, because this white is special. It glows in the dark, and wait till you see the glow on this. I'm a whole entire flashlight. So I went ahead and I finished that second coat on the second nail, and here's what we are looking like so far. I'm going to show you a side profile. As you can see, there's really not much of a ledge, but if there is, we're going to take care of that with filing here in a little bit. I'm going to do the entire rest of the hand, and now I'm going to tell you how I encapsulate. Again, gel products tend to not like clear dip powder. It just leaves bubbles. It can look grainy and not cute at all. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to encapsulate using gel base and gel top coat. You can encapsulate using builder gel if you prefer. I just like using gel base and gel top. It's part of my habit, part of my routine. So I'm going to do a full coat of gel base on every single nail. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then once that's cured, I'm going to go in with a coat of gel top coat on every single nail, cure that for a full minute, and then I'm going to file and buff over that. So I got all of my filing and buffing done. These did not require a lot of cleanup at all. You'd be surprised. I thought there was going to be more of a ledge at the front of the nail, but there really wasn't. It was super easy to file up, and all we need now is a top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and get on my same top coat that I used to encapsulate the Adrada gel top coat. It's a no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to throw on some cuticle oil and we'll be good to go. So here is what these look like in low lighting. This is only with my ring light off in natural light in my house, and you can already see the glow is going to be amazing, but don't go anywhere yet. I have a video coming of the glow in pitch darkness, but how beautiful do these come out? They're so simple, so classy, perfect for any type of event you have going on this fall or this winter, really for any time of year. I went ahead and put on some cuticle oil and I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful. Here's the glow video for you guys. I hope you come back for my next video. I would love to see you. Consider subscribing if you're not already. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.